Here you go, rocking out of box, 12-13, Panini Timeless Treasures Basketball for HockeyNewf. Good luck, buddy. So let's open the Kobe pack first. And none of the autographs in there. All right, we start with a base card of Nick Young. Base card of Kyle Korver. Number 2/499, glass rookie autograph, Kyle Singler. Glass rookie auto, number 2/499. We've got number 2/499, another glass rookie autograph, Tornike Shengelia. Straight guess at that name, so if I got it, I'll be impressed with myself. So, glass rookie auto to 499. Number 2/149, we've got an All-Star Materials jersey, Tim Duncan. And then a base card of Aaron Aflalo. And a base card of Carmelo. So there you go, buddy.